Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Apple's website has an organized navigation system. When someone clicks, it displays below a submenu navigation bar with products and services connected with that specific category. In today's video, I recreate this menu for you. I use the new conditional header feature available from Kadence Theme Pro to be displayed only on a specific page. Let's go! If this is your first time on this channel, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I share a lot of WordPress tutorials to help you on your online business. Too many items are in your navigation homepage. It's terrible. Why? Because human short-term memory only holds about 7 items. Apple's website has done a great job. Uses a flat navigation style. When someone clicks, it switches between multiple content categories. This video shows you how you can implement this flat navigation style in your WordPress website by using conditional headers. This is the website I'm running. This is a WooCommerce website, and I've built this with the Kadence theme. And what I want to do is to implement here in my contact page a conditional header. So from the WordPress Kadence dashboard, make sure you activate your Kadence theme license key. Toggle on to right to enable the header add-ons, conditional headers, hooked elements, and ultimate menu. Now first I need to create a mega menu for my conditional header. Let's create this now. Go to WordPress dashboard, customize and menus. We create a secondary one. Click on Create Menu, give it a name, secondary for me, and click Create Menu. I had some custom links, and then the following are planned 1, 2, and 3 hashtags in the URL field, and I type in the custom text and head to menu. Don't forget to check the secondary in the display location section. Now I drag some submenu items to the right because I want that they are submenu items category, and save the menu. For my top navigation link item, I want to enable the mega menu option. I click on the menu item settings, click on the mega settings at the top, toggle on the enable mega menu drop down. The width I go with full width, columns 3 equal columns. And next we are going to put some icons to my submenu items. So I click on each one, menu item settings. In label settings I choose my menu item icon. Left side, choose the icon color to blue, the size 200 pixels, and then scroll up to save. And click on the close button to save once more so that you don't lose your hard work. I repeat the same process for the remaining submenu items and save the menu to the end. Now that we have built the main navigation structure, it's time to configure the conditional header. Open up WordPress Customizer, Customize Header. Scroll down and enable conditional header. Under the current preview header, it says we are looking at the default header that this website uses. I want a new one, so I click on Add New button. We got 3 options: the Start, Copy Default, and Import. The Start Basic is for cases where you want to create a new header from scratch. The second option is for cases where you want to copy the default header and then you easily add it as you want. For this video, I use the Copy Default. Underneath, you will see a new conditional header show up in your customizer called Copy Default Header. Click the arrow drop-down icon to change the header label to Contact. The first display option is to set when to display. Basically, you are defining where you want your new custom header to show up. In the drop-down list, you see the whole possible locations you can set up. I go with single pages as I only want this header to show on my contact page. Individual, and then I select my target page, Contacts. Inside the user options, you decide if you want to display to all users or to some of them, and then scroll up all the way and collapse the options and publish your settings. With all the settings in place, it's time to preview. In order to do this, go to the top of the conditional header options in your Kadence customizer and find the section that says Current Previewing Header. Click the drop down and choose your new conditional header. In my example, I'm going to choose Contacts. You get a message asking you if you really want to preview the new header. Click Confirm below to save your settings and enter into previewing modes. Cool! Now we are previewing the new header. I'm able now to do some editing right from the customizer. I click on the plus icon to add the new elements, and then I select the secondary menu to my middle row. Go back once, click the header again. We still are in preview mode. We are almost done. The last step is to activate the header in the customizer. Go back once to the conditional header section. To do so, click on the left arrow, scroll down to conditional header, and from there, all you have to do is click the toggle on your new header to activate the header on your site, and then click Publish. Let's check this live. I click on the contact page and I'm seeing my new header options, and then I hover over on top. I get my 3 little submenu items underneath in a full width manner, just like Apple's website. There you go. You now can set up a new custom header to use in your website business the way you need to. If you find this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like down below, or leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a great day wherever you are. I see you in my next video. Thank you very much.